In winter, my home always smells wonderful, all thanks to an ordinary towel. The air also stays pleasantly humid, even during heating season. Take a small towel and soak it in water, then wring it out so it's just damp. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and place the towel on a warm radiator. The heat will spread the scent through the room, while the evaporating water gently humidifies the air. Set your radiator dial like this, and you won't go bankrupt. Everyone wants to pay as little as possible for energy. I'll show you how to adjust the radiator dial and properly set the thermostat. The radiator thermostat allows you to control the temperature in each room. The dial has numbers from 0 to 5, and sometimes you'll see a snowflake symbol. This symbol means that the thermostat keeps the temperature between 6 and 8 degrees Celsius to prevent the water in the radiators from freezing. Number 1 on the dial means a temperature of 12 to 13 degrees Celsius, ideal for garages, basements, or storage spaces. Number 2 represents a temperature of 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, which thermostat manufacturers recommend for bedrooms. Number 3 on the dial corresponds to a temperature between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius, suitable for kitchens, living rooms, and other areas where you don't sleep. The next number, 4, represents a temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius, recommended for bathrooms. Now, you might be surprised, but number 5 indicates a very high temperature of 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, which is not recommended in homes unless absolutely necessary. So, when you want to quickly heat your home, never set the dial to 5. Set it to 3. This way, the thermostat will maximize hot water flow with greater efficiency, helping you avoid high bills. Do it with your vacuum cleaner, and cleaning will become even more effective. You definitely have this popular spice in your kitchen. Sprinkle a small amount on the floor, or if you don't want to put it directly on the surface, place it on a plate instead. Then vacuum it up. As you clean, all the dust, dirt, pet hair, and microbes get collected in the vacuum bag or bin. Over time, unpleasant odors can build up inside your vacuum. That's where this spice comes in, cinnamon. Cinnamon acts as a natural deodorizer. It absorbs bad smells while releasing a warm, pleasant scent that spreads throughout your home. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. By adding cinnamon to your vacuuming routine, you can prevent nasty odors and enjoy long-lasting freshness. It's a great way to boost hygiene and make every vacuuming session both effective and aromatic. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is one small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. My home smells wonderful. Everyone asks about my secret. This beautiful scent wafts throughout the house. Most people usually buy scented sachets at drugstores, but they only last for a few days. It's definitely better to try this trick with a box. First, take a small plastic container or cup. Pour salt into it. Regular, inexpensive table salt is perfect, but sea salt works too as it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, add 1 capful of antibacterial liquid. Then pour in a capful of fabric softener with a pleasant floral scent. Insert 3 long toothpicks into the cup. They will be perfect scent carriers. Place the box in the bathroom or closet, and a lovely fragrance will emerge. Everyone will ask what smells so good, and it also absorbs excess moisture. I'll show you how to reuse it. I'm sure you didn't know this method. You won't need to buy refills anymore, and your home will be filled with a delightful scent without extra spending. Take an empty plug-in air freshener container. Carefully unscrew the lid and remove the wick and seal. Grab some laundry scent beads. These beads are not just for laundry. Their uniqueness lies in being a concentrated source of fragrance that lasts for days. Pick your favorite scent and color for this trick. Pour the beads into the empty container, but don't fill it completely. Then, add a small amount of water. The water will help dissolve the beads gradually, releasing the fragrance slowly and evenly over time. Securely close the container, screw it back into the diffuser, and plug it in. This simple trick will fill your room with the fresh, long-lasting scent of your favorite beads. In just a few easy steps, you've created your own air freshener,